Hello, this is Don Chater again, giving you another free tips and tricks on your website. I wanted to talk about backlinks. So backlinks, it's kind of like a popularity contest or pecking order at high school, let's say. So let's say there's a new kid comes to a new school. Where does he doesn't he's at the bottom of the pecking order, right? But let's say the captain of the football team and cheer squad, pom pom cheerleader captain takes him under their wing, befriends him. Boom, his popularity skyrockets. So that's how Google sees backlinks as, and especially high trustable websites that are sending basically just a link of your website on their website. And so it looks like you got like one backlink here. But when I just do a basic Google search, Milwaukee Towing. So let's say, so this website here, this is one of my colleagues actually made this website. He's got 71 backlinks. And I know he has a few awesome websites in there vouching for him. But here we go, MKE Tow. These first two, he's struggling to beat these .gov websites. I'm sure he's working on it, but he's not as good as me. Here's another MKETow.com. He's got 77 backlinks. Yelp's always pretty easy to beat. They're basically another search engine. Ray's Towing Inc. He has 51. Jay's Towing has 5. Yellow Pages. So Yellow Pages is basically just another search engine. They don't necessarily want to give another search engine as a search result. So how to get backlinks? So some easy ways to get them. You can go on blogs like Milwaukee blogs or forums and just put a link back to your website is one way. The way I do it, I buy highly trustable websites that are already in the eyes of Google, a big name player. These websites, for example, a business owned them, they went out of business, they merged, they changed names, forgot to pay the bill even, and then this website goes back into the auction block. So I pay $100 to hundreds of dollars for some of these websites that I own, and I get them back live and online, and then with the sole priority of putting one backlink to a money website, which in this case could be your website, and then in Google's eyes, the popularity contest would put a website up to the top of say Milwaukee Towing. So just some ideas. If you need help with something like this, I can help you out, and I can beat all these guys. So let me know if you need any help with that, and have a good day.